Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Slow Seline from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shell. Let's start on the bottom and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back in like this. And now let's continue this line by swirling it in towards the center. And when you're done, you should end up with something like this. Now from that beginning line, let's close it off by drawing a diagonal back into the shell. Next, let's move over on the left side and add the neck. Let's start on the top left here, and let's draw a curve down, and then curve it into the shell at the bottom. Then hop over, and let's do the same thing. And then we're going to curve it down, underneath, and back up all the way to the right side. And then let's close off the tail by curving it back in. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move up and add the head. From the top of the neck, let's angle both sides up and out. Then from the ends, let's curve it up and back up towards the middle. And when you're done, you should have a diamond-shaped head. Next, let's move inside and add the mouth. We'll start with a curve across for the top. Then from the ends, let's curve it down slightly. And then a U-shaped curve to close off the mouth. Now let's move inside and add the teeth. In the center here, let's draw a line across. Then from the ends, let's angle it up and down on both sides. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move up and add the eyes. We'll start on the top left here, and let's add a circle for the first eye. And the same thing on the right. Now inside both eyes, on the bottom right, let's add another circle. And then let's color both of these in black. And lastly, underneath each eye, let's add 2 diagonal lines back down to the head. And that's it for Slow Seline. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!